Hey guys, welcome to Smoky Mtn Taco. We need to check the brake fluid. So I've got a tool for this to raise the hood, and you're going to find the brake fluid right back over here. I've got a special tool, and what it does is check the water content in the brake fluid. If it's too much, it's time to change out your brake fluid. But I do know I have about 20,000 more miles on these brakes. I've already checked those, but I'll be changing the brakes here in 20,000 miles or so. About the same time that I need to change out my spark plugs again. And you're supposed to change those out every 60,000 miles. This is a brake liquid tester. Just take the cap off. And take the cap off the brake master cylinder and remove the filter. I'm going to take a flathead screwdriver, and you'll see little indentations over here on the side, like that. And then just pull up and pull out. Pull it out, take your tool, turn it on. All right, it's on. Let's see what it is. We're gonna have good news or bad news. Actually, you can see it's less than 2%, so it's okay. So we don't have to do it right now, but if it did get up here into this range, especially greater than 4, you wanna bleed your brakes. And I've got a specialized technique that you can actually do a one-man brake bleed. Normally, you'd have to have 2, but I've got a special technique that I know how to do that you can use just one man to be able to change it out. Let me show you this again. Push the button. We'll stick it down in there. Less than 2, but it is getting close. We're okay right now, but it is getting close. And definitely about 20,000 miles, it's going to be time to change. Then push that back in there by snapping it in. Close her back up. If you like that video, be sure to hit the subscribe, like, share, and comment down below. We'll see you next time. Smoky Mtn Taco, out.